Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMeet Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a block arrows on your Microsoft Excel web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert a block arrows shapes on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So click on the insert option first, okay? Now you will see an option called shape, click on this, and here you just scroll down and you will see an option called block arrows. So here you can find right arrow, left arrow, and up arrow and down arrow. You can just choose any arrow like this and just click on it and just extend it here, and you can just reshape the size by, you can reshape by horizontally or vertically. It automatically switches the size. So if you are clicking on the shape option here, you can just change the style of the shapes to the gradient color if you just need it. So you can just have a different type of shapes options, like if you have to make shapes like this, or you just need to have block arrows like curve arrows or like this arrow. You can just use this. Just click on the shape and you can select it, and you can just extend it and resize it like this. And also clicking on the shape option, you can just change the outline. It's you can just make it automatically. You can just change the color fill too. Otherwise you can use the style option, which you can just change the color of it easy. And also you can just make to bring backward or bring forward by using this option. If you make arrows on the top of another arrow. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMeet Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.